Hello and welcome to the Time for AI podcast, the podcast that brings you the best AI conference speakers and allows them to sum up their presentation in 5 minutes. My name is Peter and I'll be the host of this episode in the same way that I've been hosting the previous episodes. I really think you should go and check out the previous episodes. We have a couple of great speakers from conferences all around the world and we'll bring you more. So just go and subscribe, whether you're here on YouTube or on any other podcasting platform. Feel free to check out and subscribe to our future episodes. Today, we have another ex-Yugoslavian guest. We had in the previous guest, we had a Croatian. Now we're moving to Bosnia and Herzegovina. I'm very glad that with me, I have Jelena Miodragović. Jelena, how are you doing?
Yeah. Oh, I'm fine. I'm originally from Serbia, Belgrade, but currently I'm in Banja Luka, Bosnia. Yeah.
Okay, so we have 3 different countries in the previous 2 episodes, and with me, the 4th one.
You're reflecting. Okay.
How is Bosnia and Herzegovina? Did you start winter yet? I heard you got some snow.
It's
already,
really cold.
Right?
Well, it's not snowing, but it's really cold. Couple of days ago I was like freezing, really freezing, but the next day it was like 15 degrees more, so it is warmer than a couple of days. Yeah,
it's weird weather, it seems like all around Europe. Jelena, you are a freelance software developer, and next to that, you're the organizer of the Init conference. Tell us something about the Init conference and what's important to know about it.
Well, Init conference is a event that is this is the 3rd edition in Banja Luka. So we are gathering. Also, like in Portorož, we have NTK. We were gathering IT professionals, students, startups, and industry leaders. It is a one-day event, and we have speakers all around the world. It will be awesome, really.
It's probably a bit late for people to join you, even if from the neighborhood, driving to Banja Luka is not really a big problem. But maybe for the next year, I was checking out the speakers, and as you said, very different speakers from all around all the different backgrounds. I think it's really something to check out. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can.
Where is it happening? In Banski Dvor, right?
Yes, in Banski Dvor. And it's a unique chance to try famous cevapi.
Absolutely.
And rakia also.
The food that every Yugoslavian country is selling is theirs. Yeah. It's actually Bosnian, and it's actually best in Bosnia.
Yeah, I think it's the best food is here, really.
And the best people were always in Bosnia. That's also true. The nicest.
Yeah.
As you mentioned, you were also at the NTK conference here in Portorož in Slovenia. So finally, a conference near me. This is one of probably the biggest Slovenian conference. I was really impressed about the size and the number of people that were there. This wasn't your first time speaking at the conference. How did you like it? How did you like Portorož?
Well, I just love to go to Portorož because sea and food and nice weather, and Italy is near. So I like to I like the whole organization because I meet a lot of people and sharing new ideas with them. So it was really awesome. This is my 2nd year to participate, but I started last year, and I'm planning to go like every year in the future.
Yeah, that sounds great. It seems that conferences here have to be on the seaside. I've been in the previous episodes.
That is the practice.
Yeah,
that is the best practice.
The conference was in Rovinj in Croatia, right? Also a beautiful seaside city, and also here in Portorož. It seems that I know everyone wants to go to the conference for, if nothing else.
You know what? My next conference is where actually in Neum in Bosnia. also
See?
on the seaside.
Bosnians making sure that the only city that is on the seaside also has a
Yeah,
conference. Very important thing.
very. This
Excellent.
is the biggest importance of the
The seaside.
conference. Location, yeah, location is win, win.
I've just spoken to a conference organizer recently, and they told me it has to be an hour and a half away from Ljubljana because then people get the budget to sleep there. So
Yeah.
they're not even going to Portorož because that's too close to Ljubljana. They have to go to a different part of Slovenia that is not on the
Hmm.
seaside, but the people get the budget to sleep there, and that's the most important reason to go to the conference. We understand that.
Yeah, yeah. I agree.
Jelena, your presentation on NTK 2025 was called Power Up with Microsoft Power Platform to Build
Yes.
Smarter Business Solutions. I think this
Yes.
is a very interesting topic that we don't hear enough about. Jelena, here are your 5 minutes.
Okay. So, my presentation was focused on introducing the basic concept of Microsoft Power Platform and also demonstration of a real world application. We built for a company that organizes events for its employees. So, we had a short introduction about Power Platform and its components. So the Power Platform is a powerful combination of tools that help business turn in ideas into solutions quickly. It's low code. That is the most important thing. That is a low code, no code platform. So anyone, non-developers, can use it. The platform also enables integration with the data from multiple sources like SharePoint, Dataverse, which is the center of heart of the data Power Platform. Sorry, and other services. So I made a simple demo and started um, um, explaining how is the demo flow is going. So that is a there is a demonstrated event master application. So administrators use Power Apps to input event data, which is then displayed on the Power Pages. Employees can register for events and leave feedback directly on the Power Pages. And every time user registers and submits feedback, Power Automate automatically send notification to administration and confirms registration of the user. So also I integrated Power BI, and the most important thing is Copilot Studio, which is assistant embedded in Power Pages. So all of this service make one full flow. Uh, how can you use your um, for your companies, you can use Power Platform to create a better solutions for them. So through this practical exam, I demonstrate all the main services, main functionalities. So anyone who participates in my session know basic things and how to um, how to create some basic solution. And the main thing which I'm very excited about is the Copilot Studio. This is the most interesting service in Power Platform to me, because you can create interactive bots that you can easily integrate in your web pages or Teams or whatever.
All
So
right.
that yeah.
Excellent. I'm not a Microsoft person,
Yeah.
but can you explain to us what is the difference between Power Apps Power Automate and Copilot Studio. These are it's three different things, but they seem to be very similar with what I can do with them.
Well, in this my presentation, I'm covering all that elements. So Power Apps, you can build an app, for example, for like this in my demo. We have one main admin application where administrator can fill with events, and that is stored in Dataverse, which is the main database in Power Platform. And from that place also, we can see the list of that events on Power Pages. So Power Page is a presentation like a website, and Power App can be an administrator app where you can fill with the data. And Copilot Studio is creating interactive chatbots where you can which you can integrate in your website, or you can simply turn on a Power Page.
Okay. So the Power Platform is sort of the mothership, and then everything else is parts that can be used in Power Platform. Is that?
Yes. Okay. Yes, and Power Automate is also one great solution because it automates all the processes inside of Power Platform.
Okay. Excellent. It seems that Microsoft very often has a bit of too many tools that do similar things, or maybe it's just me. But I agree with you. I think that the functionalities that are within those tools are sometimes people don't really understand them or don't use them enough. Like the option to create even a voice chatbot is a part of the Copilot Studio that you can directly put on your website, may that be internal or customer facing. And people pay a lot of money to integrate third-party tools into the website, like Chatbase or other tools that are similar, but all of that can be a part of that. Can you compare the Power Platform and Power Apps and Power Automate to other tools like Make.com or N8N? These are similar tools. Why is this tool the one that people should be using?
Well, I didn't try other tools because but the thing is that the Power Platform is connected to all services that we are got used to, like Excel. You can use Excel, you can use Teams, you can I don't know how many services you can use to connect with data connectors and create flow with them. I really don't want to use any other thing than that because
I fully agree with you. Just leaving people to use the tools that they are already using, to allowing people to use the tools that they are already using, and working with them seems to be much better than just giving them an extra tool. And of course, privacy is probably also
yes, but the privacy also is, yes, it is the main thing. But the one other thing is that we can really make easy applications because I mentioned that is a low code no code platform. So with minimal code or no code, with the prompt you can generate you can generate tables, you can generate pages, and it's very easy to use. Very easy.
And it seems that this kind of tools are going to be even more important because ChatGPT or OpenAI has just announced a similar tool within ChatGPT or within the OpenAI platform. So it seems that these are really the things that we're going to go into.
Yeah, we really live in a crazy, situation and crazy times.
One more question about the Power Platform. If you can help companies use it in a more efficient way. I was just yesterday talking to a team of leaders within a company, and they were like, all right, we have a lot of small tasks that people should automate, and probably Power Automate or Copilot Studio would be the way to do that. But of course, expecting individual employees to be able to do that by themselves seems won't be possible, right? Not everyone in the company is going to learn how to use the Power Platform or Power
But
Automate.
it's very easy to learn. I mean, actually, you don't have to learn
Do
much
you
things.
that was my question. Do you think that it's easy enough so that we want to give the power to every employee to do that, or should we have that centralized within a company, and then maybe someone in IT should go around and build solutions for people?
The main thing about the Power Platform is that you can, you share permissions with all your employees based on the things that they are, involved with. So it's very secure platform. For example, you have all your tables need, when you add the table in that Dataverse, your tables needs permission. You can assign permission to uh, you know uh, search for a people in our company individually. You're assigning permission for everything. So I think everyone can use it. Okay.
Okay, interesting. All right, Jelena, thank you very much for bringing us a step closer to understanding Power Apps within Microsoft tools. If people want to talk to you about implementation of these tools, or maybe about the Init conference, where can they find you next to at the conference, of course?
First of all, thank you for inviting me. And second thing, you can find me on the LinkedIn or any like I'm like a developer that has all social networks. So Jelena Miodragović, you can search for me and ask me whatever you need. If you need help, if you need some consultation or anything that I can help. So that's it.
All right. Jelena, thank you very much for being a guest on the podcast. Have a great day.
Thank you.